Hello, children. Today we are going to discuss about plants. Look around you. See outside from the window. I'm sure you will see variety of plants outside your house. So, if you see any plant, one question should be there in your mind. How does it grow? What are the parts of plants? So, we will discuss today about different parts of plants. Wow! Look at these beautiful plants, trees in this slide. Can you see different colors of leaves? Yes, there are many colors of leaves. Oh, let's see who has come to attend our class. It's Winnie the Pooh and Robin. You know what happened with them? Once they planned a trip to the forest, and there they saw variety of plants, big huge trees. Then they discussed amongst themselves about plants. Oh, Winnie the Pooh has met his friend Sher Khan and this naughty brat. Then they both discussed about common parts of a plant. These are roots, fruit, leaf, flower, and stem. So, children, as we have our body parts, animals also have their body parts. In the same way, plants and trees also have their parts, which we saw just now. But when we discuss about plant system, we take a plant as a whole, we divide it into two parts broadly. First would be root system and second would be shoot system. Children, as I told you that we divide plant into two broad systems. First is root system, second is shoot system. Here you can see the white part shown here is the root, which is underground, and the part which is above the ground is shoot system. Hmm, Winnie the Pooh and Sher Khan. What are they doing here? Children, they have become intelligent and they are discussing about types of roots. So, as per them, there are three major types of roots. First, taproot, second, fibrous root, and third, special roots. Let's see what they show us now. It is taproot. The taproot is the main root of the plant that goes deep into the soil. It is thick and grows downwards. Its main root has many branches that spread out. As we can see here, that there is only one main root, and then these branches are coming out from that only. So, from my side, I can give you two examples of taproot. First, neem, and second, people. Children, can you think of two more examples of taproot? And this is fibrous root. The fibrous roots do not have branches but have a group of nearly equal sized roots that spread out from the base of the stem in all directions. So, a fibrous root system is the opposite of taproot system. It is usually formed by thin branching roots growing from the stem from one place only. It is not like a taproot where we saw one major root, one main root, and rest of the branches were coming out from that main root. But here we have roots and branches are coming from the shoot system only. They are coming from the stem directly. Wow, let's see what Winnie the Pooh has got to show us here. He has got a beautiful picture which is showing us the difference between taproot and a fibrous root. So, children, the taproot arises from the base of the stem itself, and other small roots they come out from the main root. That's how the main root is thick and strong. On the other hand, if we talk about fibrous root, it is the roots which arise from the base of the stem. All the roots, right? All the roots are almost of same size and thickness like a bush. And few examples of fibrous root system are wheat, rice, and onion. Now it's your turn to find out two more examples of fibrous root system. What a beautiful sight where we can see few vegetables which are dancing for us. Lovely. I think they are inspired by Winnie the Pooh and Sher Khan. They are also dancing, so vegetables are also dancing. Jokes apart, these are children few special roots which are called tuberous roots also. Some plants have special type of roots. Certain plants like turnip, carrot, radish have enlarged roots to store large quantity of food. These are called tuberous roots. A tuberous root is an enlarged fleshy root modified as a storage organ with shoots produced at one end and roots produced at the other. Examples are here in front of you. A beautiful banyan tree. It is also smiling at you. It is also happy. Yes. So, children, here we have an example of aerial roots as well. Roots which come out from the tree itself are called aerial roots. So, banyan tree is the best example for that. Trees such as banyan have roots that grow downwards from the branches towards the ground. These are called aerial roots. These roots hang in the air and are not covered by soil. Right? I'm sure you all must have seen banyan tree somewhere around. If not, tell your papa to show it to you. So children, till now we understood types of roots under root system. So first type was taproot system, which was a main root and then many branches were coming out from the main root. Second type was fibrous roots, which were like a shrub. Lot many branches and lot many roots were coming out from the base of the stem itself. Third type we discussed was tuberous roots. These were few vegetables which we eat, and those were carrots, turnips, and radish. These are basically roots, but we humans use them as vegetables. Then we discussed about one very nice and different kind of root, which was aerial root. Now children, let's discuss few functions of roots. First of all, very important, roots fix the plant firmly into the ground. They spread out in the soil and hold the plant firmly to the ground. Then roots absorb water and minerals from the soil and pass them to the stem and leaves of the plant. Third, roots bind the soil as well. The soil on which no plants are growing is easily washed away by water or blown away by the wind. And again, very important work of roots is roots store food. Some roots like carrot, radish, etc. have thick and swollen roots that store extra food. And we, my God, we eat such roots, huh? Oh, Pooh is missing here. I think he is still understanding the functions of roots. But Sher Khan is intelligent. He's here with us. So let's have a quick recap of root system. So dear children, today we understood two broad division or categories or systems of a plant. First was root system and second was shoot system. And in this video we discussed about root system. So we discussed types of roots, taproot, fibrous root, aerial root and tuberous root. Right. And then we discussed few functions also of roots. In next video, we will discuss about shoot system of a plant. Till then, revise it and have a great time.